Okay, so this is a small box. This is really cute. They have this care kit now. Care tip, you guys see? It's about like how to care for your bag. You guys can pause it if you guys want to read it. I also got my nails done. Isn't that pretty? And here she is. This is the vanity case in like what is it? I don't know, it's a small size. It's not there's a smaller one, just like this. So I'm really glad to have this because the other Chanel bags I have, this bag is really big. I'm gonna show you guys some comparisons. So I went in wanting to get the rectangular or square mini in caviar, but apparently it's really hard to find and they don't have any waiting list. So if you want the bag, you have to like try a lot during when you have like seasonal release, like to be like first in line for queue and make sure you have the money ready to go. And I don't even have like enough money to buy this just now, like in my checking account, and I have to like go to my laptop and upload my FB. And I haven't bought a designer bag since COVID, which was like 2019. I think the last bag that I bought, I don't remember, it's maybe the Lady Dior or the Chanel, but it's a long time ago. It's so cute. I can't believe I got this bag. Like, I really went in to get the mini size, but I just kept trying this on and this was really cute and I really liked it. It fits an iPhone. I use and the mirror. I'm sorry, I'm not okay. Inside it looks like this. There's three credit card slots, mirror. I haven't peeled off the packing, so it's still kind of blurry. And there's a lipstick holder right here. Can you guys see? There, like right here. Oh, it's very nice. They pretty much fit like the same amount of things. The only thing that is kind of sad is that I can't double up the straps, but I can do that with the mini. Oh yeah, it's so cute. So this is my mini bag with some of my stuff. See, it's kind of the same. This is the vanity case is it's wider. This one is longer. So let me transfer my for me to buy big bags because I don't like big bags, like big leather bags. Like I would rather just have a small bag with my essentials and then I would rather have a small bag with. This is kind of wide. I can do a photo shoot with it. I prefer having like a small bag and carrying like a tote bag with stuff I want to throw inside because it doesn't make sense for me to use a big bag. Okay, so I think I might change my phone case because I really love this bag. I got this when it was like I think it was like 13,800 at the time. I got it when I was 23, 22. I'm not 29, so that's like 6-7 years ago. And now this one is like 20,000 or 21,000. Rectangular is 21,000. And it's so ridiculous. The medium flap is 44,000 and the small flap is 42,000. Like it's double, like it's really ridiculous. The medium flap is like 20,000 like 7 years ago. I don't think inflation is that much. I don't think it's worth buying the price. That's why I would rather go like second hand. But also I'm really free, like spending so much money on second hand bag and that's not that big. Okay, so as you guys can see, this fit quite a lot of stuff. My phone, my wallet, my AirPods, my lip tint, my car keys. Yeah. And so this is a very thick camera. It's thicker than the camera I'm using. And it fits. I can definitely fit the phone too without the cams if I don't come with it. I think it fits. And I think I'll get a wallet and just use the card slots and some space for keys and the mini looks like this tiny. So that works. I'm very happy with this purchase. I was going to compare and the guy was saying like I already have the mini, so it's nice to have this vanity case. That's I'm really going to do it. I can do that one. And apparently it's supposed to be because when the next sunsets. I'm really close. So actually I really want me and black and gold hardware. I got this instead. And I'm happy I tried the cheap. I was too slim on me and I'm not like a skinny and tall girl, so it didn't vibe with me. I'm more of a short and kind of curvy person. And I think it's good that there's the handle because you can like use it. I think it's quite easy to use. Like I don't think the opening box means that much. And anyway, this is more like a decoration kind of bag. Like look, I'm better than you. I have this bag. It's the message that it sends. So I'm gonna compare it with a few other bags. So for like mini bag, this is the mini Lady Dior. And I got this is like 14,000. Now it's like I love this bag too, but this feels like very elegant type of bag and it's not viable. It's hard to get in and out, and I don't like how it feels. I still really love this bag. It's really such a bag, and I would never ever sell this bag. On the other hand, this one I haven't really used much. I got this when I was like 19. I think I forgot how much it was. Maybe like 17,000 or something. I think it's fine. I'm not sure. It's very spacious, but I don't use it often. I think because it's so funky, and I kind of run out of this color with this shape of pink. This one no, because it's like more orange and it's super skinny. So it's a little bag. It's my handbag's young because I didn't really know what I can use it. This is in comparison to the Jumbo. The Jumbo I don't know how much it is in there. For something 15,000, I don't know. It's not. I wish I bought this in the medium. I was thinking at the time the Jumbo is the most expensive to fit, so I want to get the Jumbo. But I was in UK at the time. It was very cold, so it doesn't feel heavy. But now it just feels very heavy. It feels like a very old bag on me, and I have big hips, so it doesn't flatter my shape because it's like big here, like no. Like if it's here, it's there. I don't know. I really find this like a waste of my money. I wish I can trade it in for like medium or medium. And I have a Chanel boy. This is in medium. I don't know why I'm taking so many bags. I was 16, and actually wanted the Chanel mini was like 3,000 Aussie dollars, but my back when I said this was 1,000 Aussie dollars. I really wish I had a Chanel bag. It was a Ladybird. It was like 13 years ago, and since then I think they've done Ladybird again a few times. I still really love this bag. It's really flattering on me. But also because of this bag, I always think that I want Chanel. Chanel's just my favorite brand. Like for me, I like Chanel first and then this one I feel like kind of the same thing because I think this is cowskin. I think so, and this is also my gold hardware chest. And this one is a leather absolutely great. So again, the codes like the sweater, good arms. I like this one in the Jumbo actually because it's lighter, but I like classic bags more. This is not actually, and this is my first Chanel bag actually. This was 13 or 14. I don't know, 13 or 14,000. And I when I was very young, I was like 19 or 20. I was studying my first. I remember I sneaked out of class to get this bag. I saw it with my dad, and I look, it's from like the Valentine's Day collection. And I went to buy, take out all my money and spend it. And it's the best 13,000. I still really cherish this bag. This bag is me. This bag is all I have. I've run to the bag of me. Yeah, UK. I like that it's a single bag. wear this bag. This bag is like really reminds me of Malaysian Ringgit. So it's really flattering. Like it's a big sort. It's like heavy. But this is like yeah, it's fun. It's and the pink. This one really. Actually, I was like thinking like should I get two bags of like kind of similar? But in the end, it was really nice to wear this. It's just a little bag with the cross. It's just. And I also saw a square painted light paint mini in Italy. I'm very young and I didn't have to be very fine. It's really fun. I think this is some bags to use for making fun. So I would say these are my three favorite bags. Like you can't throw away all my other. No, not all. Actually, guys. So if you ask me like what are my favorite bags of all, it'll be like all these. Like I've used them all a lot in different phases of my life. And I got them all when I was really young, like between 19 to 24. I think during that time I got a bag. But actually I always had it, and ever since I never asked my dad to buy handbags. It's like old and I use money to travel more. So these ones I bought like when I was really young. And this I think I didn't buy a designer bag for 4 years, and this is the first I got. And I just really good like to buy bags. So I went backpacking recently, like backpacking. I just realized like, I really miss being materialistic. Like, I keep telling myself I'm minimalistic. I don't need designer bags. Like, it's not my fashion vision. But you know, I always catch myself feeling envious of girls who have bags. So this they're really good. They're so precious. It's so cute. It is like okay, complete. I don't think that I need more. I really love them. But I love Chanel, and I think I only want to buy Chanel bags. You know, they have the crazy price increase. I feel like I'm afraid I have one Chanel bag and like 5 bags of other bags. And I feel like what's the point if I keep buying something else, but actually what I want is Chanel. I don't know, Chanel just makes me very happy. I like what the brand stands for and how it makes me feel. I haven't always had good experiences in the store. In Malaysia, yes, but overseas, no, because I'm Chinese, so they probably think like I am some sort of reseller. But overall, yes, I love it.